I found the perfect door for this demonstration. First of all, if you remove this cover, then you will find two holes right here. And this one right here, you can insert the hex key right here. And if you loosen up the screw inside, then you can also move this in and out. There are 3 notches, actually 4, 0, 5, 10 and 15. And I would suggest to start like this. This is removed and this is loose. And now check this out. The installation is so convenient because compared to a normal door lock, this thing right here isn't fixed. So you can put it in here. Compared to this one, as you can see, this thing is fixed and it protrudes the actual lock. So you can't just take it and insert it. This won't work. Well, actually you could insert the key, I guess. But in this state, well, there is no way to insert it. And with this one, you just center it and then you can easily slide it in. So the next step would be to take this long screw that will fit in here and center it. This screw will go in here, right in here. So insert the lock and then slide it around, insert the screw and lock it in place. Screw the screw in all the way and there we go, it's now locked. Now in my case I will go all the way in, then right here screw in the screw and this is now locked. It's very sturdy, perfect. Now sliding on the cover and inserting this screw. There we go. This side is done. That's the other side. As you can see, it's already working. And now we need this side right here with the holes, and the screw needs to go in one of these holes. This is where the adjustability comes in handy. I could go for this, but I will just move it out 1 notch maybe. So I'm super happy with the alignment. There is a bit of space in between. And now the other side is fixed as well. So as you can see, working perfectly. Currently it's not doing a thing, so you can turn it, nothing will happen. But if I insert the code, well, if I enter the code and unlock it, then I can actually use the lock. This will stay active for 5 seconds. And there we go, it's now locked again. And unlocked. Let's test it. Okay, let's close the door. Let's lock it up from the outside. And there we go. Locked. And to unlock it, there it is. From the inside, you can just use this knob to lock it and to unlock it. Yeah, this door jams a little bit, but as you can see, no problem. By the way, this was the master password. Let's check the second code. User